Hi, today I'm going to take you through how I made this kids table out of this. This is a piece I bought from the junkyard for the main purposes of creating a wind chime, but then I thought it was too good to be cut down and made into a wind chime. So I first identified that it has the possibility of standing on its own and being a foldable table. So I started by attaching those two black pieces of wood so that once it's opened up, then the table will rest on these pieces of wood. So I first started by cutting them into size, and then I'm going to drill holes that will make provisions for me to screw them together. And once that was done, the next step obviously was to think about the tabletop. These are pieces of pallet wood that remained from framing a piece of artwork for a client who had asked that I reframe one of the pieces that I had created. So I cut them into size, and then you have to check whether they fit perfectly in the frame. And then now you have to polish them. I started by polishing them using my machine polish, which is the orbital polish. And then I finished them off with a hand polish just to make sure if there was any edges that had not been polished. And then I drilled holes around the frame, again to make provision to attach the pieces that will create my tabletop. And since this was a kid's table, I decided to add a splash of color just to make it exciting for the little ones. The paint that I'm using here is Crown oil-based paint, which is super gloss. So this will take up to a day to dry in the right conditions. So as you can see, I've hung them in the sun, and this will take a day, and then I can fix them the following day. Okay, so this is day 2 and my pieces are dry. So the first thing I needed to do is arrange them in the correct order that I saw fit. Different color combinations, maybe contrasting colors or agreeing colors. And then also you have to put them through the square ruler just to put them right so that they are all straight and they fit right. Then the next step is now attaching them using screws. Choose the right screw to attach them. In this case, I used 1 1/4 inch screw, and it did the job. And finally, I applied clear varnish just to give it that extra gloss, and my table was done. My hope is that you learned something from this tutorial, and if you did, please let me know in the comment section below. Remember to share, like, comment, and if you've not subscribed, please consider doing so. Until next time, bye-bye.